Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Realme U1 versus Vivo Y95 Freeze Test. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on bell notification. The both phones are running on Android version 8.1. The Realme U1 comes with a MediaTek Helio P70, and the Vivo Y95 comes with a Snapdragon 439. Both phones looks very similar from the front, as they have the same water drop notch. And also they have dual camera setup on the back. So before we get started, Realme U1 giveaway is going on my channel. If you haven't participated, go to the link in the description and follow the steps to participate. So let's get started. And as you can see, the both phones are fully working. Now let's keep this phone in the freezer. And also I'm gonna put some water so later we'll know how well it got frozen. And the phones are now ready for the freeze test. Hey guys, I'm back after 3 hours and 30 minutes. And as you can see, the phones are completely frozen. Let's take out these phones. The Realme U1 stuck here. Let's take out the Vivo Y95. Let's try to take out the Realme U1. Here we go. The both phones are so cool to the touch. Let's check if they are still working. The both phones turned on. Let's set this Realme U1 aside for a few seconds. Check this out guys, it looks so cool. And also you can see the fog vent inside the cameras. Let's clean the phone. Okay guys, so I just cleaned the phone and the phones are still very cool to the touch. And the both phones are working. Let's check the camera. Let's take a quick photo. And as you can see, the photos are very blurry because of the fog inside the camera. Let's check the speakers. This is the Realme U1.
Today I'll be doing Realme U1 versus Vivo Y95.
And this is the Vivo Y95.
Speed test. So before we get started, Realme U1 giveaway.
And the speakers of both phones are working without any problem. It's loud and clear. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is adding my fingerprint. That means it's working. And yes, the fingerprint sensors are working. And both phones unlocks very fast. Now let's check the face unlock. I have added my face in face unlock. Let's check if they are working. And it unlocks instantly as soon as I look at the phone. So yeah, the phones are fully working. And I have not seen any issues in these phones. After a few minutes, the fog disappeared from the back camera, as well as the front facing camera. The volume rockers are also working without any problem. Let's check the camera one more time, because the fog disappeared. And the camera now takes clear photos. You can see the difference between both photos. So yeah, both phones survived my freeze test. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.